Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Shark Reboot Vacuum Error to how to fix. Okay. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry. We are going to solve this issue by each step. So what is Shark Robot Vacuum Error 2? The error 2 on the Shark Robot Vacuum is due to an obstruction which can be the side brush or ward out the hair around the wheel. Okay. So first of all, check the wheels. Start by checking the wheels to make sure they are connected and free from hair or debris. A Reddit user noted that the loose electrical connector for wheel can trigger the error too. So verifying the wheel's condition is crucial for resolving this issue. Okay. So second step is inspect the roller. Hair or debris may gather near the roller connector leading to a blockage. Clear this area completely to prevent any obstruction. If the roller is not moving smoothly, applying a bit of 3-in-1 dry lock lubricant to side the aid in the roller rotation can assist. Okay. So third step is examine the side brush. Hair or debris can gather around the side brush motor or the brush. Okay. So clean these spot to prevent blockage. This is a typical reason for error too, and cleaning the side brush can often fix the problem. Okay. So you have to clean this. Okay. So for this step is factory reset your Shark robot vacuum. To factory reset your Shark robot vacuum using the Shark Clean app, open the app on your mobile device, connect to the same Wi-Fi as your vacuum, okay? And then go to setting menu and select factory reset. Confirm the reset by entering the password. For a manual reset, unplug the vacuum and turn it upside down. Hold the power button on the side for 10 seconds until the turn off and wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. The vacuum will reset and power on, okay? So fifth step is contact the Shark support. If all of this step is still not working for you, you can contact Shark support for further assistance. You can contact Shark support through their website, email or phone. Okay. So thanks guys. This is the all step. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.